everyone. In social studies, I will explain the topic weather and climate. Under this topic, I will explain about the heat zones. Heat zones are also known as the climatic zones. There are three climatic zones on the earth. These climatic zones or heat zones are divided on the basis of the amount of rainfall and the sunlight received by the particular place. As we know that the shape of the earth is spherical. In the division of these heat zones, the shape of the earth is also of great importance. Due to the curved surface of the earth, all the areas of the earth do not receive the same amount of heat. Some areas of the earth receive more heat, whereas other areas of the earth receive less heat. As some of the areas having direct rays of the sun and some areas receive slanting rays of the sun. On the basis of these sun rays and rainfall, there are three heat zones. Now, I tell you, these are the Torrid Zone, the Temperate Zone and the Frigid Zone. So, start with the Torrid Zone. Torrid Zone is also known as the tropical region or the tropical zone. Here you see in this figure, this is the equator. The Torrid Zone lies on the both sides of the equator. It lies from equator to the Tropic of Cancer in the northern hemisphere and from equator to the Tropic of Capricorn in the southern hemisphere. It is known as the Torrid Zone. This is the hottest zone on the earth as it receives the direct rays of the sun throughout the year. So it has the high temperature throughout the year and it receives heavy rainfall. It has dense forests which are known as the tropical rainforests or the evergreen forests. Now come to the next zone, which is the temperate zone. It is also known as the temperate region. The temperate zone lies from Tropic of Capricorn to the Arctic Circle in the northern hemisphere and the Tropic of Capricorn to the Antarctic Circle in the southern hemisphere. This zone has moderate climate. It has neither very cold nor very hot. It is the most suitable zone for the survival of the living beings. It has most of the grasslands of the world. Now come to the frigid zone. It is also known as the polar region. It lies from the Arctic Circle to the North Pole in the northern hemisphere and from Antarctic Circle to the South Pole in the southern hemisphere. It is the coldest zone on the earth. It has very cold climate. The sun never sets for 6 months continuously and for next 6 months it never rises. It is famous for the land of midnight sun. It has hardly some vegetations. It has longer winters and the summers are very short here. The summer season is only for 1 or 2 months, which is cool, and winters are extreme or severe cold in this zone. By this, I bind up the class here. Thank you.